Hey guys, it's Ashley from Pugs and Pearls, and tonight we are going to be doing a mask review. I'm really excited because I just got this new mask from my Boxy charm box that came in yesterday. I have never tried this mask before. It is the Glamglow Berryglow mask. It has a probiotic recovery in it. So we're going to kind of talk about the claims. This is actually a full-size product, which I never get full size of Glamglow. I've always gotten like little small size, but I don't think I've ever reviewed Glamglow masks on my channel, although they are supposedly very good, but they are pricey. This one is actually 2.5 ounces. It retails for $49, which is a lot. I would typically not purchase this on my own, or I would get a sample size, and you can get this on Sephora's website. Alrighty guys, so let's read a little bit about the claims of the Glamglow Berryglow mask. It says it's a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair the skin's moisture barrier. It's for normal, dry, and combination skin, and it's supposed to help with dryness, dullness, and unevenness texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Sounds good so far. The highlighted ingredients in this mask are super berry blend, a mix of antioxidant-rich fruit extracts, which includes blueberry, cranberry, and goji berry, with vitamins that are supposed to nurture the skin. We also have lactobacillus ferment probiotic, which helps balance and support a healthy skin microbiome. I don't think I've ever had a mask with that particular ingredient or claim, so that's interesting. And it also has jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter to replenish hydration to visibly plump the skin while protecting the skin's moisture barrier. So that's one thing that we're going to look for, is my skin any plumper after we use this. And it does also say, which I think is kind of a cool claim, it says that the Berryglow is like a superfood smoothie for your face. It's blended with beetroot hibiscus flower. This creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing hydration treatment helps repair a compromised skin barrier and is supposed to make the skin feel strengthened with a visible, revived, healthy glow. So we're looking for some plumpness and a healthy glow. Hopefully for $49, you will get this in this mask. One thing that I do want to point out, it's got a very cool consistency to it. And it does smell like yogurt, which again, I think goes back to that probiotic being in it. It does have a little pink color to it, and it has bits of that, what I'm assuming is berry, all in that mask. So before we start application, I am going to do a few things. I am going to start out with my Origins. This is my Maskimizer Primer. I like to just spray this on my face prior to doing any mask. It's supposed to just help prep your skin for mask application, but I just like, it feels good on my face. I like a lot of sprays, so I've been doing this for all of my mask videos. It does come out pretty strong, and again, gives some hydration directly into the face, but I am working on with clean skin. I did clean my face before we are doing this mask tonight. Another thing that I love to use in my mask videos is this e.l.f. mask tool. Basically, it's just an easy way for me to dip into the product and apply it without getting my fingers really dirty. So you can pick this up. I want to say this is like $3 or $4 on the e.l.f. website. And again, it's like my favorite tool to use to just keep your hands clean from all of the masks that are like going to need application, where they're either runny or have a thick consistency maybe. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to start. Alrighty guys, and if you hear my pug snoring in the background, I apologize. He's like right behind me trying to go to sleep because it's late at night and I tend to like filming at night. So let's go ahead and dip in. And it does definitely have like a smoothie like consistency, so I think that that's like pretty interesting. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Ooh, it is nice and cool to the skin. It has like a milky lavender like color. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera, but it's very cool, like really nice, like feels very, very relaxing, very it feels very nice on the skin just from an initial application. And I wear a lot of different masks, or I try out a lot of different masks, and not all masks have such an immediate cooling effect, so I do want to highlight that. It does feel nice. It's gliding onto the skin extremely well. And it does smell pretty good. Like, I have to say, like it has that, you know, tiny, it really smells like yogurt. Like if you've ever had yogurt, you can smell the probiotic in the yogurt. And I'm pretty sure like that's what I'm smelling. So it kind of feels like you're just putting yogurt on your face, which is exactly what this mask feels like. All right. So the application I'm really happy with, like it's going on really smooth, really easy. And we are supposed to let this sit for 10 minutes once you've applied it on. And you can either wash some of it off and pat dry, or, oops, I'm gonna get that all over my brow. Excellent. There we go. Or you can remove this with a cloth and then massage the rest of it into your skin. So this is what it looks like once it's on. That was like the easiest mask to apply, by the way. And again, I do like the yogurt smell. It's not off-putting in any way, and it really does remind me of just like a smoothie. You can definitely see like those bits of berry in the mask, so I feel like it really has the claim of like putting stuff in that is supposed to be healthy and hopefully hydrating for your skin to give it that plump, glowy look. So guys, I am going to let this sit for 10 minutes and I will be right back to tell you my thoughts. Hey guys, so it's been 10 minutes and I just wanted to come back and show you like how the mask has kind of set on my face. Of course, it's not going to completely dry. That's not what this type of mask does, but you can see that, you know, it did start to dry a little bit and some of the color started to go away, but you still can clearly see that it has that like milky pink kind of lavender color. You can clearly see all of the little berry bits in there as well. So I am going to take this off. I'm going to wash it off, and I'm actually going to use this little sample size of the original makeup eraser. I got this recently in my I believe it was my last Sephora Play box that I got, and so I thought this would be great to help me kind of wipe this off with some warm water. So I'm going to do that and then come back and we'll kind of take a look at my skin and give you my final thoughts. Alrighty guys, so I just finished washing it off. I patted my face dry and I love this little sample size that I got. Like this was the perfect tool to just kind of help take off my mask. Like I am so thrilled about that. So I will link all of the stuff that I'm talking about down below if you're interested in checking any of it out. But let's get to the final thoughts on the Glamglow face mask. So you guys, I'm actually really surprised. Do you see the glow that is coming off? Like my skin does feel really nice, and it just, I feel like it actually worked. And I always hate it when the really expensive masks do tend to work, because it's like, oh, it is an expensive product. But what I have noticed as I've reviewed a lot of masks on my channel, the higher price masks oftentimes do hold up more to their claims. And I think part of that is because they put really high level ingredients in these masks. And I kind of read you out earlier what those things were. And I actually do think it works. I think it makes a nice difference on my skin. And this is the type of mask, I have to say, I give it a full thumbs up. This is the type of mask that I really enjoy doing. It's nothing too crazy on your skin. I think a lot of skin types could use this mask. It's kind of one of those treat yourself. I just want to have a nice cooling sensation, but also give my skin some brightness. It's just a fun mask to use, and it's the whole experience. I always like to look at the whole experience of having a mask, and part of it is the scent, part of it is the application. The application of this went on super easy and it was super quick. This is definitely something I could see my girlfriends and I getting together and doing in a group, especially since it's so expensive. You can go in on one and share, but I really recommend it. I think it stands up to its claims. It felt really nice on the skin, felt very cooling. One of those that's just easy to apply, easy to take off, and you're seeing immediate results, and I feel like it's good quality ingredients. So I definitely recommend this. 2 thumbs up from me on this particular Glamglow Berryglow mask. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other masks that you would like me to review, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to check those out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.